Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by protecting what matters. Backup saves to Nintendo Cloud or transfer locally. This prevents permanent loss if repair fails. Once done, make sure your Switch has over 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection so procedures don't abort. Now go to System Settings, Data Management, then Manage Software, and choose the game showing corrupted data. You're checking for the console's built-in detection. This is the first actionable step that isolates affected titles and prevents accidental deletion of good data. You now perform the middle steps. First, try the built-in repair option on the corrupted game entry because it can fix file index issues without data loss. If repair fails, delete only the software, not save data, and re-download it from eShop or your library. This replaces damaged game files. Next, rebuild the system database by powering off, holding volume up plus volume down with power to enter maintenance, and choosing Database Rebuild. This cleans file tables and often resolves persistent corruption. You finish by verifying results. Launch the game and confirm your saved data loads. That proves recovery succeeded. If problems continue, power down, remove the micro SD card and test without it. A faulty card often causes corruption. If the issue follows the card, backup then reformat or replace it. Make sure to keep a save backup before formatting. Finally, if errors persist or hardware faults appear, contact Nintendo support. They can run diagnostics or repair hardware that software fixes cannot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.